Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying accounts and permissions, sign into Google and Microsoft, and share the sheet so Power Automate can access it. Once done, create a new automated flow and select the Google Sheets trigger like New Row. Make sure you point to the correct spreadsheet and worksheet and use a named range or the header row so the trigger captures the right cells. This first action starts the automation pipeline, so confirm connectivity and test a single sample row to validate the trigger firing. Now you map the sheet columns to Outlook actions. Add an action, Office 365 Outlook, send an email, V2, and insert dynamic content from the trigger into to, subject, and body. If the trigger returns an array, add apply to each and process rows one at a time. Use compose or expressions to format dates and to concatenate fields and include conditions to skip empty rows. Make sure you trim whitespace and replace line breaks if the Outlook body needs plain text. Finish by testing end to end. Add a sample row, run the flow, and inspect the run history for inputs and outputs. Then verify the message in Outlook sent items. Once satisfied, save and enable the flow. If you use scheduled polling, set an appropriate frequency. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate the Google or Microsoft connector and confirm the sheet's header row and named range still match the flow settings. If needed, add logging actions or email yourself error details so you can iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.